It's the day before Thanksgiving, you guys. Let's hurry and get to the market. But before we go, let me just tell you we have 2 Thanksgiving feasts for you to show you on this video. You'll love it. Let's not forget the Fast and Furious segment where we show you how fast it is to prepare pumpkin pie, gravy, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, stuffing, and cornbread. And we do this very fast and very furious. We also give you tips along the way. You'll thank us. Subscribe to our Ninja Chefs channel on this Thanksgiving. Turn on the bell notification. Like, comment, and share all of Ninja Chef videos with your friends and family. Let's go to the market! Bring your little Ninja Chefs with you. Let's go! We're here at the market. Let's do this lightning speed. Bought some pumpkin pie, you guys, for $3.99. Fast and Furious. Our pie is done. You can get some sweet potato pie also. Awesome. So many desserts here you can get at the market, and you don't have to do it at home. It's already done for you. We make it easy here at Ninja Chefs. Let's get the turkey, you guys. Let's see what they have. Still a lot of turkey left. $6.07. You can do better than that. $5.25, $4.99, $5.67, $5.75, $4.99, $5.20, $4.89. I think we got our turkey, you guys. $4.89. Put in the cart. Ooh, the gravy. Let's do this. Fast and Furious. Microwave. Stove top. Let's get even easier than that. Already made for you. 2 for $3. Let's just get one, you guys. Oh no, this is too much. You have to use a saucepan. Ooh, mashed potatoes. Ooh, one of the good ones. Buttery, 4 cheeses, microwavable. I don't know about that one. Let's try this one. I like this one. Buttery home style. Buy one, get one free. Let's get 2, you guys. Fire my potatoes are almost done. Cranberry. Look at this, you guys. Fast and Furious. It's already done for ya. Excellent. Look at that. We're ready. Let's go to the next one. Look at our cart. It's filling up. $3.99 for stuffing. No, let's get a better one. Stovetop. Always works. $1.99 stovetop. Hey, all you need. Look at that. Easy. Okay. Good nutrition facts. In the cart it goes. For a Jiffy corn muffin mix. Let's put in the cart, you guys. Almost done. We might need some frosting, but we might not. Let's just grab some. Why not? There you go. In the cart. Line bread. Who doesn't love these? Excellent. Ooh, carrots. You guys, I have a great idea for these carrots. I'll show you later. Beets. Can we get some beets? Well, I'm not sure. We'll see. We can get it in can. Let's see. Yeah, we found some sliced beets. Very good. Awesome. Goldfish for little Ninja Chefs. Nutella. Nutella's awesome, you guys. Pretzels! Hey, you guys! This is for a second Thanksgiving feast. Popcorn for a second Thanksgiving feast. Jelly beans for a second Thanksgiving feast. Can you guess what it is, you guys? Just guess. This is French fries, awesome. Our cart is really full right now. Ooh, wow! Menu by Ready Whipped Cream. Let's check out. Make sure we get that discount. $1 off. We'll buy the pumpkin pie and the Ready Whipped Cream. Ooh, they're going fast and furious here. Oh, they're gonna switch. They're switching too fast. Here we go, savings. $18.28. Awesome. Let's go home. Alright, you guys, the turkey has been thawing for about 9 hours now. Let's go ahead and wash the turkey. Remove the giblets from the turkey. You can either discard or save it in a Tupperware container and put in the freezer for later use. Okay, you guys, we are ready to season our turkey. We only need 3 seasonings. One is 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of cumin. The 3 seasonings go in a Ziploc bag. That's the Ninja Chef style. And then we're gonna shake the bag. Shake, 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 shake. Let's give our turkey a massage with our seasoning. Rub seasoning on the turkey. Turn the turkey over and repeat the process. If more seasoning is needed, just shake up 1 teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of cumin, but no salt. Your guests can apply salt if needed when they start tasting the turkey. Once both sides are seasoned, loosen the skin with your fingers and rub more seasoning. Cover again with the skin of the turkey. Don't forget to season the inside of the turkey as well. And refrigerate. We'll see you in the morning. Rise and shine. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. It's 6:55 a.m. Thanksgiving morning. We are so excited today. We're going to construct a rack for our turkey with carrots and celery. So if you don't have a rack or forgot to buy one, no worries. Ninja Chefs to the rescue. But first, bring out your favorite coffee maker because we need to make coffee. Is the coffee percolating yet? Alright, it's ready. Hot coffee. We also need to fill up our tummies with our favorite cereal. We have 1% low-fat milk. Very healthy. This is our favorite cereal, you guys. Great breakfast we had, you guys. Let's start preparing the veggie wrap for our turkey. We need a knife and a veggie peeler, but first preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the recommended temperature on the package label on our turkey. And just to let you know, you guys, you'll need simple cooking equipment that you already have in your kitchen. No need to go out and buy. We are saving you money. If you don't have these cooking equipment, it's okay. You can use what you have in your kitchen, no problem. The ingredients you need are very simple. Here at Ninja Chefs, we make everything easy for you so you have time to eat and enjoy. Alright, you guys, we're ready to build our rack. Set a plastic bag in the sink. This is the Ninja Chef style. Wash the carrots thoroughly. We're ready to peel the carrots. Alright, you guys, this is why we use the plastic bag in the sink. It is a quick cleanup. That's a tip from Ninja Chefs. Go Ninja Chefs. Cut the carrots and place the ends in a bowl. Let's work with the celery stalk. 4 stalks are needed. Wash thoroughly. Cut the ends as well. Let's start constructing our rack. Place the seasoned turkey on the veggie rack. In the oven, leave the bottom rack stationary and install the top oven rack to the bottom. Place the turkey in the sauna for 3 hours, which is the recommended time suggested on a 8 to 10 pound turkey we purchased. But in about 1 hour, we will check on it. Meanwhile, let's work on the Fast and Furious side dishes. Fast and Furious. Pumpkin pie, check. Gravy, check. Cranberry sauce, check. Dinner roll, check. Wait! Let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees for our cornbread. While the oven is preheating, let's start cooking our Thanksgiving mashed potatoes fast and furious with our little Ninja Chefs. Go little Ninja Chefs! Let's work on the buttery home-style mashed potato fast and furious. Add 2 cups of water to a medium-sized saucepan and heat water on high to a boil. Remove boiling water from heat and immediately stir in entire pouch of potatoes. Mix thoroughly using your tiny small fork or your humongous, gigantic fork to moisten all the mashed potatoes. Little ninja chefs are here to help you guys. Bring in your kids to do the fast and furious section with us. Go, little ninja chefs! Add some butter to it to give a little bit more flavor. So just add a bit of butter with your favorite tiny spoon, and that will do it. Some salt. Use your hands to measure the salt. And stir well. 1 sec, we want to add some milk to this. And keep on stirring. Mashed potatoes done. Fast and furious. Go, little ninja chefs. Alright, you guys, let's do the cornbread. Fast and furious. Let's go ahead with the 1 egg needed. So we're going to go ahead and wash the egg. That's the ninja chef style. We're going to go ahead and grab the cooking spray and spray our baking pan. Alright, little ninja chef is right here with me. Show me your skills packing the egg. Alright, excellent skills, little ninja chef. Little ninja chef is in control. Add 1/3 of milk. Let's go ahead and open the box. Pour the whole box in the bowl with the egg and milk. Little ninja chef is gonna go ahead and mix the 3 ingredients. Alright, the oven is ready. Let's put the batter in the baking pan. We're gonna make sure it's nice and even on the top. And let's place it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Go, little ninja chefs! Time for the stuffing. In a saucepan, bring 1.5 cup of water and 1/4 cup of margarine or butter to a boil in a medium saucepan. Here at Ninja Chef, we only use 1 cup of water and a little bit and also a little tiny bit of butter. Add the stuffing to the boiling water. Stir with your big spoon. Stuffing done, stuffing ready, you're all set. Little ninja chef, go! Let's go back to the turkey and add some chicken broth. It has been about an hour. You're gonna add some chicken broth to the turkey. Just grab any measuring cup or any cup that you have available and let's pour it on top of the turkey. Let's give it a bath. Alright, and once again, we're gonna repeat the process. Make sure it has enough chicken broth. And you're gonna go ahead and place it back in the oven. An hour and 39 minutes to go. In about 20 minutes or so, we will baste the turkey. It has been about 20 minutes. Alright, now it's time to baste the turkey. With your gigantic eyedropper, go ahead and start basting the turkey. In about 20 minutes or so, we will baste the turkey again. It's been about 20 minutes or so. Just go ahead and baste the turkey once again to give it extra flavor. Back in the oven it goes. 44 more minutes. About 20 minutes have passed. It's time to use the flavor injector. Use a cup or a measuring cup to add the remaining chicken broth. Use the flavor injector and inject the beautiful turkey. This will moist the turkey even further. We don't want the flavor injector to be inserted into raw turkey, so that's why we wait towards the end of the cooking time. That's the Ninja Chef style. Go ahead and add the remaining chicken broth. Baste the turkey once again. 60 more minutes to go, you guys. Almost done. 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys. Let's see what's going on with the turkey. Let's see if it's done. Oh, it's heavy. It looks beautiful. Come on, you guys. Give us a like. Yikes, is this turkey done? Your bird is not safe until it reaches 165 Fahrenheit. You cannot tell by the color. Remember to ensure any stuffing cooked with the bird reaches 165 Fahrenheit too. But here in Ninja Chef, we do not cook the stuffing with the turkey. We do it separate. See the Fast and Furious segment. Use 3 places to check the temperature. Thickest part of the breast, innermost part of the wing, innermost part of the thigh. When the turkey is removed from the oven, let it stand for 20 minutes before carving to allow juices to settle. Happy Thanksgiving, Ninja Chefs and Little Ninja Chef style. Go Ninja Chefs. Oh boy, you guys, Thanksgiving was easy. We did eat everything and we enjoyed this holiday with our friends and family. But wait, just like we promised, our second Thanksgiving feast. Happy Thanksgiving! See you all